Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that's often overlooked, but incredibly powerful. Food under fire. We're talking about the vital role cuisine plays in survival during wartime. Imagine a world turned upside down. Food isn't just about nutrition anymore. It's about hope, community, and even resistance. From foraging for scarce ingredients to sharing a carefully guarded family recipe, food becomes a symbol of resilience. It brings people together, offers a momentary escape, and preserves cultural identity amidst chaos. Think about the resourcefulness, the innovation, and the sheer will to survive that emerges when every meal counts. It's a testament to the human spirit, isn't it? How something as basic as food can carry so much meaning and strength in the toughest times. What are your thoughts on this incredible human resilience? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this fascinating, please hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content. Thanks for watching.